In this clip, we're going to be looking at how to multiply with two-digit numbers. The first calculation is 76 multiplied by 64. Remember to align the tens and align the units. The first thing we're going to do is multiply this digit by each digit at the top. So 4 times 6 is 24. We put the 4 down and carry the 2. 4 times 7 is 28. Add 2 is 30. Next, we're going to multiply this digit by each digit at the top. Instead of doing 60 multiplied by 6, we're going to make the calculation easy by putting the 0 here and doing 6 times 6, which is 36. So we put the 6 down, carry the 3. 6 times 7 is 42. Add 3 is 45. To get the answer, we're going to add these two numbers together. 4 add 0 is 4. 0 add 6 is 6. 3 add 5 is 8. And 0 add 4 is 4. So the answer is 4,864. The next calculation is 23 multiplied by 45. Remember to align the tens and align the units. 5 times 3 is 15. We put the 5 down, carry the 1. 5 times 2 is 10. Add 1 is 11. Instead of doing 40 multiplied by 3, we're going to put the 0 here and do 4 times 3, which is 12. We put the 2 down, carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8. Add 1, which is 9. And now we can add these two numbers together to get our answer. 5 add 0 is 5. 1 add 2 is 3. 1 add 9 is 10. So the answer is 1035. The next calculation is 353 multiplied by 64. Remember to align the tens and the units. 4 times 3 is 12. We put the 2 down, carry the 1. 4 times 5 is 20. Add 1 is 21. We put the 1 down, carry the 2. 4 times 3 is 12. Add 2 is 14. Instead of doing 60 multiplied by 3, we're going to put the 0 here and do 6 times 3, which is 18. We put the 8 down, carry the 1. 6 times 5 is 30. Add 1 is 31. Put the 1 down and carry the 3. 6 times 3 is 18. Add 3 is 21. To get our answer, we're going to add these two numbers together. 2 add 0 is 2. 1 add 8 is 9. 4 add 1 is 5. 1 add 1 is 2. And 0 add 2 is 2. So the answer is 22,592. The last calculation is 651 multiplied by 23. Remember to align the tens and the units. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. We put the 5 down, carry the 1. 3 times 6 is 18. Add 1 is 19. Instead of doing 20 multiplied by 1, we're going to put the 0 here and do 2 times 1, which is 2. 2 times 5, which is 10. Put the 0 here and carry the 1. 2 times 6 is 12. Add 1 is 13. To get our answer, we need to add these two numbers together. 3 add 0 is 3. 5 add 2 is 7. 9 add 0 is 9. 1 add 3 is 4. And 0 add 1 is 1. So the answer is 14,973. Here are some practice questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go at them. And when you're ready for the answers, press play. The first calculation is 67 multiplied by 22. Remember to align the tens and the units. The first thing we're going to do is multiply this digit by each digit at the top. So 2 times 7 is 14. Put the 4 down and carry the 1. 2 times 6 is 12. Add 1 is 13. Next, we're going to multiply this digit by each of the digits at the top. Instead of doing 20 multiplied by 7, we're going to put the 0 here and do 2 times 7, which is 14. We put the 4 down, carry the 1. 2 times 6, which is 12. Add 1 is 13. And now we're going to add these two numbers together to get the answer. 4 add 0 is 4. 3 add 4 is 7. 1 add 3 is 4. And 0 add 1 is 1. So the answer is 1,474. The next calculation is 89 multiplied by 31. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 8 is 8. Instead of doing 30 multiplied by 9, we can put the 0 here and do 3 times 9, which is 27. We put the 7 down, carry the 2. 3 times 8 is 24. Add 2 is 26. Now we can add these two numbers together to get the answer. 9 add 0 is 9. 8 add 7 is 15. We put the 5 down, carry the 1. 6 add 1 is 7. Add 2 add 0 is 2. So the answer is 2,759. The next question is 453 multiplied by 52. So we have 453 multiplied by 52. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 5 is 10. Put the 0 down, carry the 1. 2 times 4 is 8. Add 1 is 9. Instead of doing 50 multiplied by 3, we're going to put the 0 here and do 5 times 3, which is 15. We put the 5 down, carry the 1. 5 times 5 is 25. Add 1 is 26. We put the 6 down, carry the 2. 5 times 4 is 20. Add 2 is 22. To get the answer, we're going to add these two numbers together. 6 add 0 is 6, 0 add 5 is 5, 9 add 6 is 15. We put the 5 down, carry the 1. 2 add 1 is 3. 2 add 0 is 2. So the answer is 23,556. The next calculation is 8,634 multiplied by 62. Remember to align the tens and the units. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. We put the 2 down, carry the 1. 2 times 8 is 16. Add 1 is 17. Instead of doing 60 multiplied by 4, we're going to put the 0 here and do 6 times 4, which is 24. We put the 4 down, carry the 2. 6 times 3 is 18. Add 2 is 20. So we put the 0 down and carry the 2. 6 times 6 is 36. Add 2 is 38. We put the 8 down and carry the 3. 6 times 8 is 48. Add 3 is 51. To get our answer, we need to add these two numbers together. 8 add 0 is 8. 6 add 4 is 10. We put the 0 here and carry the 1. 2 add 1 add 0 is 3. 7 add 8 is 15. We put the 5 down, carry the 1. 1 add 1 is 2. Add 1 is 3. 5 add 0 is 5. So the answer is 535,308.